Hey guys, to fix the quote unquote TikTok followers not showing problem, stop by refreshing the app. Okay, just reopen it again and see if the followers show up.
What's in the fridge?
Okay, so I'm gonna stop this video and hit profile at the bottom right and check if the followers are there. Okay, next, check the internet connection. Okay, make sure you are using a powerful Wi-Fi or cellular data. Next, what you're gonna do, clear the app cache. You can do it inside the app or outside. So in my case, I'm gonna do it inside the app. Hit the menu at the bottom right, the top right, excuse me. Settings and privacy. Scroll a bit down, and you're gonna find free up space. Just hit free up space and clear the app's cache. Okay. If that doesn't work, just log out in backend and make sure TikTok is fully updated to the latest version. So go ahead and check your favorite or your preferred preferred store. So TikTok, right? And then double check if it is updated, right? Or try reinstalling TikTok, like delete the app and re-download it again, and that should fix your problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.